So we're about to go inside to the aquarium that's here.
Sea Life.
Yeah, Sea Life Aquarium Orlando. And it's right at the Orlando Icon where you see the Orlando Eye and a couple other fun
There's
stuff.
food and all that stuff.
Yeah, and so we're gonna go in. I'm not sure what they have here. It's our first time coming here. It'll be really fun to
See what they have?
see what they have. Now I'm gonna link the video below for our trip to the Omaha Zoo Aquarium.
That's kind of close. Maybe?
Omaha?
I don't know.
Who knows? Who knows? It might compare, it might not. We'll see.
Ryan loves aquariums. We had like 2 before.
Could you imagine having to swim in the circle all day long?
Guys, this is a big circle and it's probably messing you up because I'm going around
You went
the different way. But let me go this way then.
It's very echoey,
Hope I'm not going too fast. They're just going in circles non-stop.
You know what we should do? We should get a chair right in the middle.
That's where we came in from. Right there. And then we're going to go in there next. What? It's a baby. Look how cute. Baby.
What does Dory call it?
There's another baby. Over here you guys can change the colors. What color, Brian? Purple. Whoa. Let's do blue. Green.
Yellow.
Yellow. Orange. Red.
Ooh, I like that one. Go big red. Look at that butterfly. Oh, the cardinals. These are huge cardinals, man. Quit staring at me.
I'm not. I was like, I'm not even doing anything. Did it get eaten or something?
I don't know.
Poor dude.
Where is that?
Every time I go up there, it changes. It's an octopus.
There it is. Look at those tentacles.
I don't know if you guys can see. Should I go up in the glass?
Yeah.
Or is it...
Right here. Right here.
I'm over here waiting. No, that's scary. Look, I probably don't even have to duck for this one, you guys. Watch, let's see. I probably don't have to duck. Brian. Brian. You guys, I'm not even ducking in here. Oh my god.
Sorry, guys. Look, they got damsels. Look at that purple tank. Look at this one. This one's cool.
Oh, are you following it with your fingers?
That's crazy. Look at this one. Look, these things over here. The things over here. Remember the Mike was telling us that those are like $1,000 tangs?
Hi, bitchy. I don't have to duck, you guys.
It's so pretty.
It's a little claustrophobic in here though.
Look. Is that egg or is this stars?
No, it's flounder. We had a
What we
fish
call it?
like this, the
Yellow-bellied
yellow
damsel.
and the blue, and I named it flounder.
Look at that one. Okay.
Brian's in his happy place. Huh? Do you want me to take a picture? Brian. Smile, say cheese. This old man.
It's hot in there.
Are you sleeping?
Yeah, I mean.
Leave a comment below if you know some of the names of these fishes. That was cute. Hey friends.
Look at that, they have courtship.
They have courtship. You guys, the seahorse. There's a whole bunch of them. I love seahorses. They're sleeping.
Okay, so here's an idea, and you have to hear me out before you say no.
You get me a seahorse tank so you can get a tank.
Yes.
How did I know that? Oh, wait. Whoa. Where's Crush?
Dude, I know. He's not going here now.
Brian's running. Holy cow. No way. That dude is massive.
I scared him. Okay,
This is supposed to be freshwater?
yeah, look, never drinks. Well, sunfish. This is what you always catch. Okay, hold on. Right there.
You thought there was something to do with that?
I thought you'd go in there. But
Yes, I knew you went back there.
Anemone.
Anemone?
Anemone.
Look how pretty it
True
is.
story. So when we had our tank, we had an anemone, and that thing would go all over the place.
Yeah, it'd move a lot. Look at all the starfish. So we just got done with sea life. It's probably backwards.
Yeah. So actually, it was pretty fun. We saw a big old turtle.
Yeah, we saw a whole bunch of jellyfish and seahorses that I love.
So she's going to ignore this next statement, but I really wanted my aquarium.
No.
It's so fun.
No, because if you get me a seahorse aquarium, then you're going to want an aquarium. That's just not.
You guys heard it here.
I said no.
But no, it was fun. We enjoyed our time. It's really peaceful. I could sit there all day. But
If
sorry.
you have an aquarium, leave a comment below. We had a salt
Water.
aquarium before.
And the only reason we did salt is because I think we get more prettier fish. But
It's
that's our
higher
opinion.
maintenance.
It is.
So it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It would be a good thing to come and check out too.
Again,
if you have time.
See below, we're gonna have a link for the Sea Life Aquarium, how much it costs and all that kind of stuff, and we're gonna have the link to the video for Omaha. So
Yeah.
we'll see you guys.
If you have kids, it's awesome.
Awesome. They have a playground.